Today I'll show you how to set a monthly budget on Revolut. Revolut can work as a budget allocator for all of your expenses that you do throughout the month. In order to create your budget and allocate your budget as well, let me show you the exact steps that you need to follow. Once you're inside of the app of Revolut, in order to head over to the budgeting section, you'll need to tap on the analytics tab, which is this icon on the top right of the screen, just besides the search bar. So you can just tap on this icon. Now, if it is your first time opening up the analytics tab, you're not going to see any amount of allocation. You're just going to see 0 on the screen. What you can do on the bottom of this page, you'll get an option called set a budget. You just need to tap on that particular option and then add in the desired monthly budget that you like to add in. So for example, if you want a monthly budget to be $1,000, you can just add in the amount and then tap on continue. Once you do that, you need to now manually allocate your budget so that allocation for each expense is sorted out. So you're going to get a list of all of the expenses that you may have. Just fill in the amount in these tabs. If you don't have any particular expense, for example, if you don't have travel expenses this month, you can just leave this empty and then tap on done on the bottom. Once that step is complete, you'll now start to see these analytics, and as you spend money on those particular allocations, the analytics tab is going to change and it's going to show you the exact amount that you are spending on each expense. So that is the way that you set a monthly budget on Revolut. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.